Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Okay, so this is a timeless reading po. So kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood, basta tumasayo, take mo lang. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. Pag hindi po tugma, huwag kang ipilit. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. Again, so kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo ito napanood. Basta mag-resonate, take lang. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine na energies. Okay, so ano po yung mga posible mangyari po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? 8 of Cups and the Tower. Okay, so merong paglayo, merong nasira. Pisces. Ano po ito? The Fool, there's a new beginning. Pwedeng kakaano mo pa lang, Pisces, pwedeng kaka-break, okay? Pwedeng merong nasira, okay? Kasi 8 of Cups and the Tower is medyo hindi ganun kagandahan yung mga nangyayari. And there's the Fool. It's either this is a new chapter for you, this is a new beginning, and then there's a 2 of Wands. Pwedeng gusto mo nang magsimula, gusto mo na ng panibagong panimula, Pisces, okay? With this, the Fool and the 2 of Wands right here, pwedeng gusto mong mag-travel, gusto mong mag-try ng ibang bagay, okay? After this 8 of Cups, para tinitingnan nyo, tinatapon niya yung mga cup na nagamit na, okay? And napapansin nyo may mga gamit itong tinatapon palabas, okay? So, ibig sabihin, parang meron kang tatanggalin, okay? Pwede meron kang tatalikuran, pwede pong ganon. And there's the Fool right here, pwede ito meron connection sa, yeah, there's a new journey, there's a new chapter in your life, there's a new path na tatahakin mo, Pisces. And pwedeng ito yung choice mo, ito yung gusto mo. Okay, ito yung mga plano, it's either nagpaplano ka na with these 2 of Wands right here. Okay, so ano pa? Pwedeng gusto mong pumunta sa ibang lugar, Pisces, para, alam mo yun, magsimula ng panibago. And there's a 3 of Cups, meron kang makikilala, meron kang mga taong makakasama mo sa journey na ito, or something like, there's happiness after this 8 of Cups right here, and after the Tower card right here, Pisces, ano, there's a happiness at the end of the day. 3 of Cups, nakikita nyo yan, nagsasalo-salo sila, nagiinuman, okay? So, from medyo madilim na medyo hindi ka nais-nais na mga bagay, papunta dito sa 3 of Cups, which is happiness. Ayan o, nagsasalo-salo sila, Pisces. And pwedeng gusto mong pumunta sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, with these 2 of Wands right here, ano, to meet these people or to meet this person or anything, with this, the Fool right here. So, you wanted a fresh start, Pisces. And that's so good. Ang ganda nun. Maganda yun siya. Okay, bottom of the deck, there's a King of Swords. Pwedeng ito yung merong connection sa masculine energy, or pwedeng ikaw po. Pwedeng nakapag-decide ka na, Pisces, after this 8 of Cups and the Tower card right here. Gusto mo na tong iwan, gusto mo nang kalimutan, talikuran ko naman yun mga nangyari, okay? And you want a fresh start with this 2 of Wands. And at the end of the day, you will be happy. You will meet a lot of people, or this person or people, or kung sino man, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng kasiyahan. Okay? Na there's a fresh start right here, Pisces, ano? Okay? And masaya siya, to be honest. And there's a King of Swords. Pwedeng itong taong to is you're dealing with someone na may wisdom, intellectual, pwede din po, mature, pwede din, okay, or pwedeng ikaw to, you have this, the King of Swords kasi is someone na nakapag-decide na, okay, merong decision na gagawin, okay, so yeah, etong decision na ito is tatalikuran yung mga nangyari, and you want a new beginning in life, and that's so good, ang ganda nun, okay, ayaw mo na nung, especially ngayon, January 2025 na, so, kung ano yung mga nangyari from last year, gusto mo na yung kalimutan, and gusto mo nang magsimula for this new New Year 2025 ng bagong ikaw. Okay? Pwede pong ganun, Pisces. Ang ganda nun. Okay? So, siguro kuha tayo ng The Mystic Red Rose Oracle cards. Alamin pa natin kung ano pa yung mga magiging gabay, advices ng ating tarot card for Pisces para sa araw na napanood niya to. Ano po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? There's not enough, lacking confidence, self-sabotage, ego, and fear, frustrations. Okay. Grounding, stability, security, performance, growth, and endurance. Isa pa po. Anong... Blowing kiss, unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness, and love, affection returned. Okay? Napapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong parang para siyang upgrading, Pisces. Ano kagaya dito sa taas? Dito, nakikita nyo, ito yan, no? Ito yan. You had been parang you settle for less, Pisces, from the past, okay? And ngayon, grounding, which is ito, si King of Swords, nakapag-decide na, okay? Nakapag-decide na kapag gusto na ano tawag nito? Parang panindigan, isolidify yung decision na iyon. Ito yun, no? Stability and security. And after this grounding right here, you will have a blowing kiss. Unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection returned. Okay? So, ito yung nakalaan para sa'yo, which is 3 of Cups. Ayan, no? Masaya siya. Okay? From dito to dito. Okay? Ang ganda ng reading natin ngayon. So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words. Kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Travel. Yes, pwede meron itong connection sa travel, Pisces. 9S. Pwede meron connection sa September 9. Pwede po. Moonlight. Or pwedeng initials mo ay S. There's a letter J. L. Moonlight. And dito na lang yan. Yan. And isa pa. Sige, isa pa po. 7. 79, 97, or 79. Okay? So, yun po ang ating reading for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!